Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a video shake on CapCut's website. So all you need to do, first of all, just go and open your browser and type CapCut.com in this URL section and hit the enter button. That will take you here if you are logged into your account. But if it's your first time, they will take you to another page. From that page you can download it on your computer on the right side, of course, option, and the left side option. They'll show you if you want to use it on a browser like I'm doing right now. And of course, if you click on that, you will need to they will ask you to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. You can even create your account with a Google account. Of course, if you want to download it, you will find a video on this channel on how to do that, so just go and check it out. So of course, once you actually log into your account, you'll find this as your home or as your main screen, and from here you can actually open some of your recent projects, or you can just go and create a new project by clicking at this black canvas right here. Once you click on that, you'll need to wait a bit. Of course, if you have it downloaded on your PC, you'll not need to wait a bit or anything on this beginning. It will be basically much faster and has more options than this browser. So of course, once you're here, I'll just need to upload my video here that I'm going to edit on it. And of course, if you have it downloaded, you will just need to import it. So once it's actually uploaded, I'm just going to drag it here into this editing area. So of course, when my video is here, if I want to actually shake it, all I need to do, just go to this effects option, and from here I'll just need to check for this shake option. Maybe I'll find it in basic. Yeah, as you can see, here is the shake option. So all I need to do is just click at the plus button and shake it, or the whole video. Of course, you can shake just a part of it. Choose whatever you want. For me, let's say as an example, I'm just going to shake the final part of the video, which is just the 2 second. So let's just start the video from over. As you can see, shake the video, and as you can see, it shaked at the second part of the video. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.